Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, our focus will be interactive writing. Let's get started.
Materials.
The only materials you will need for today's lesson is a piece of paper and pencil. We have two learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, I can say the beginning, middle, and end phonemes in a CVC word. The second learning target says, I can use what I know about letters and their sounds to spell simple single-syllable words.
Word work.
We're going to write letters that match each sound we hear. The letters will help us write words. The first word we'll write is can. When we want to write a word and we aren't sure how to spell it, the first thing we can do is stretch out the word so that we can hear each sound. Like this. K, an, can. Say it with me. K, an, can. Now that we've stretched out our word, we know that there are 3 sounds, so we can write each sound. Let's skywrite the letters. The first sound is K. Do you remember what letters make that sound? There are 3 ways to spell the K sound. We can use the letter C, the letter K, or the letters CK. In this word, the K sound is spelled with the letter C. Start in the middle, then curve down and around to the left, then back up to the right. What sound comes next in can? If you were thinking the letter A for the short A sound, you got it. What do you notice about the A sound in this word? What is different about how the letter A sounds in the word can? Right, it changes a little bit when it is followed by the letter N. The N makes the A weak. Let's skywrite the letter A. Start in the middle, curve down and all the way around to make a circle. Then pull straight down to the bottom. What is the final sound you hear in the word can? It's the N sound, which you know we make with the letter N. Let's skywrite it. For N, start in the middle and pull it down to the bottom. Next, retrace your line going up, then curve to the right and pull straight down to the bottom again. There. We've made all the letters for our word can. Let's match the sounds of one more word to its letters. The next word is ram. R-am. Do that with me. R-am. Ram. Now that we've stretched out our word, we know that there are 3 sounds. The first sound was R. Do you remember which letter makes that sound? If you thought the R sound is spelled with the letter R, you're correct. Skywrite R with me. Start in the middle, pull straight down to the bottom, retrace your line back up, then curve over to the right, ending just below the middle. What sound comes next in ram? If you were thinking that it's the letter A for the short A sound, you got it. What did you notice about the letter A in this word? It changes a bit when it's followed by the letter M, just as we notice when A is followed by the letter N. The M also makes the A weak. Let's skywrite the letter A. Start on the middle line, go to your right and make a circle. Go all the way up to the line, pull it down to make your A. What is the final sound in the word ram? It's the sound, which you know we make with the letter M. Let's skywrite it. Start in the middle and pull it down to the bottom. Next, retrace your line going up, then curve to the right and pull straight down to the bottom again. Repeat this bump one more time to finish the M. There. We've written all of the letters to match the sounds in RAM.
Transition song.
Now let's all be writers, be writers, be writers. Now let's all be writers like the authors we love. Listen to the sentence, the sentence, the sentence. Listen to the sentence. We will write as a group.
Writing.
Today, we will write a sentence like the sentences in our books. In our books, the sentences match the pictures. Today, we will make a new sentence to match the picture we see. Get your pencil and paper ready. What do you see in this picture? Josh, he is in the mud. The sentence that matches the picture is, Josh is in the mud. Let's write our sentence. The first word is Josh. The sounds in Josh are J, A, Sh. There's 3 sounds we need to spell. We can spell the first sound, J, with the letter J. The middle sound is Ah. We can write the vowel O for this sound. The last sound is Sh. For that sound, we'll need the digraph SH. Write the word Josh on your paper. Be sure to write an uppercase J because it's the first word in the sentence and a name, which should always be capitalized. What should come after each word? A space. Leave a space after Josh. Our second word is the high frequency word is. This is a word we know, spelled I-S. So go ahead and write it on your paper. Be sure to leave a space after the word. Nicely done. So far, we have Josh is. The next word in our sentence is in, which is also a high frequency word that we know. It is spelled I-N. Go ahead and write in on your paper. Be sure to leave a space after the word. The next word is the, another high frequency word that we know, spelled T-H-E. Write the on your paper and be sure to leave a space after it. Nice writing. So far, we have Josh is in the. The whole sentence is Josh is in the mud. So the last word we need is mud. How many sounds are in d? 3 sounds. What is the beginning sound in mud? Mud starts with the sound, so we'll need the letter M. What is the middle sound in mud? The sound is in the middle. We'll spell that vowel with the letter U. What's the sound at the end of the word mud? What is the last sound in the word mud? Right, the last sound is D, and we spell that with the letter D. Go ahead and write the word mud, M-U-D, on your paper. The last thing we need to do is put punctuation at the end of our sentence. In this sentence, we are telling something that is happening, so we need to use a period. Don't forget, punctuation goes at the end of every sentence. Double check that you have a capital letter J at the beginning of your sentence. Let's read it together. Josh is in the mud. Wow, we just acted like authors and wrote a sentence to match a picture. Nicely done.
Closing reflection.
How does listening for the sounds and words help us with spelling? Yes, we can match the sounds we hear to letters and words and write them. Excellent job today. See you next time. Bye.